Good morning, dear students. So now we are going to learn the exercise 10th A, question number 7. Okay, up to question number 6 it was already over, and question number 7 and 8 I will explain you now, and then in next period we will start the transversal. Okay, so see here, exercise 7, question number 1. What is here? The measure of one angle is given in the following figure. Find all the other angles. Okay, if you observe this one, question number 7a, first diagram, measure of one angle is given. You have to find the measure of other angle, other three angles, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this AC and BD, two lines are intersect each other at point O. This angle is 93. Angle AOB is 93. Okay. So this angle is the vertically opposite angle of this. Vertically opposite angle of this. Okay. This you can easily find angle DOC or COD. So you can write here angle AOB is equal to 93 degree. Okay. It is given. So therefore angle DOC equal to 93 degree, because you have to write the reason, vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle. Okay. In this you can write when you write the measurement of any angle, you have to write the reason. So reason is must. आपको इसी के मार्क मिलते हैं, ये लिखना जरूरी है. Okay. Now you have to write this angle. Okay, how to find this angle? If you draw this line AC, this is total straight angle, and the measurement of straight angle is what? 180 degree. So you have to subtract 93 from 180. You can get the measurement of this angle BOC. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus 93 degree. So this will be equals to what? 87 degree. So in this way you can get angle BOC. ये दो एंगल हो गए, ये और ये. अब इसका वर्टिकल अपोजिट ये है, तो आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं एंगल AOD इज इक्वल टू, therefore एंगल AOD इज इक्वल टू 87 डिग्री. तो रीजन क्या है? वर्टिकली अपोजिट. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. इन दिस यू कैन राइट द मेजरमेंट ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स, 1 2 3 4, चारों एंगल का मेजरमेंट. Okay, understood? Now see the next diagram. Next diagram, B and line PR and line SQ intersect each other at point O. This angle POS is given, that is 13 degree. So this is the vertically opposite angle. So that's why you can say angle QOR or ROQ is what? 13 degree, because vertically opposite angle. So therefore what is given, that you have to write first. Angle POS is equal to 13 degree. It is given. Okay. Therefore angle QOR is equal to 13 degree, because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Next one is what? This is the straight line, and this whole angle is straight angle. The measurement of whole angle is what? 180 degree. So you have to find the measurement of this angle only, SOR or ROS. This is 30 and total 180. So you have to subtract 13 from 180. Okay. So therefore angle SOR is equal to 180 degree minus 13 degree. This will be equals to 167 degree. Okay, this is 167. You can write here 167 degree. And this is the vertical opposite of this. इसका vertical opposite कौन सा रहेगा? ये. So therefore angle POQ is equal to 167 degree, and reason is vertically opposite angle. 27 degree. Here also you can write 13 degree, 167 degree. Okay, understood? So write down this or take screenshot. Now the next problem. Next question, question number 8. What is question number 8? Find the measure of x in the following figures. Find the measure of x means find the value of x. Okay, diagram is given like this. 8a. So diagram is like this. Here the measurement is 130 degree. Okay, this is 130 degree and this is x. 130. Okay, you have to find the value of x only. Okay, now listen here. This is the straight line and this whole angle is 180 degree. Straight angle means you have to subtract 130 from 180. You can get the value of x. Means these two angles form a linear pair. Means sum of these two angles is what? 180 degree. So you can write here the solution. So therefore x plus this 130 degree. Okay, x plus 130 degree. This will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle forming linear pair. Angle forming linear pair. Because these two angles form a linear pair, means its sum is 180 degree. Because this is the straight angle. Okay, so x will be equals to this 180 degree. You have to subtract this minus 130. This is the equation. Okay, so you can get here 50 degree. Means x is equal to what? 50 degree. Okay, x is equal to 50 degree. So in this way you can easily find the value of x. Now see the second one. Question B. What is here? X plus 20. Again same. This is x plus 20 and this is it is given x. This is x. Okay. Now you know very well. These two angles form a linear pair. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So you can write here. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. With this plus this. So x plus 20 plus this x. This will be equal to 180 degree. Reason? Angle forming linear pair. Okay. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. X plus x means 2x plus this 20 is equal to 180 degree. X plus x means 2x. 1x plus 1x 2x. 20 as it is, 180 as it is. Now 2x is equal to this 180 as it is. ये 20 आप ट्रांसफर करोगे उधर, प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 20 मीन्स 2x इज इक्वल टू आता है 160 डिग्री. 2x इक्वल टू 160 तो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो ये डिवाइड में है 160 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू है कितना 80. x is equal to 80 degree. So in this we can find it. This is 80 and this is 80 plus 20 means 100. ये 100 है और ये 80 है. 100 plus 80 180 हो गया. Okay? Right now. Now next. अब मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्वेश्चन E. Question E. Listen here. The diagram is like this. थोड़ी अजीब डायग्राम है and this is 90 degree. This is x by 2. This is x. This is x. Do you know what is the measurement? Total measurement. Okay. See here the total measurement. This is the circle. Okay. If you draw this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, you can get a circle, circular measurement. The measurement of circle or the angular measure of circle is what? Always 360 degree. Means whole measurement or circular measurement is 360 degree. Means sum of all the angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so you can write here 90 plus x by 2 plus x plus x. 90 plus x by 2 plus x plus x, okay, is equal to 360 degree. Reason is what? Circular measurement. Yeah, measurement of circle. Circular measurement. Okay. Now you have to remove these two. So for that, what you have to do here? So before that, you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So 90 plus x by 2. X plus x means 2x is equal to 360 degree. Now you have to remove this 2. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा इसे रिमूव करने के लिए? पूरी इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. तो ये 2 चला जाएगा. मल्टी 90 into 2 x by 2 into 2 2x into 2 equal to 360 into 2. सभी को 2 से इंटू करना है. तो मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ 90 into 2 प्लस यहाँ पर भी x by 2 into 2. यहाँ पर भी होता है इंटू 2x into 2 और इस साइड में भी होगा 360 डिग्री या 360 into 2. ओके. यहाँ इंटू करने से 90 to the 180 प्लस ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. यहाँ रहेगा सिर्फ x, इसीलिए हमने 2 इंटू किया प्लस 2 to the 4x और यहाँ होता है 360. या ठीक है 360 टू हाउ मेनी 72 720 degree 720. Okay, now see the next step. Understood this one? Now listen here. This 180 as it is 180 plus 4x और ये 1x 4x plus 1x 5x is equal to 720. ये नंबर ट्रांसफर होगा. So therefore 5x is equal to 720 as it is minus 180. So 5x is equal to 720 minus 180 0 12 minus 8 here 540 degree. So x is equal to ये 540 और ये 5 डिवाइड जाएगा. आप डिवाइड करोगे तो 540 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 5 1 जार 5 4 5 0 जार 5 8 जार. So you can get 108. So what is the value of x? 108. Okay. So in this way you can find it. Can you try to solve the remaining problems? Try to solve, and suppose if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay. So in next period we will start the transversal. So you have to see this video 2-3 times. Okay. And if you have any doubts you can ask me. So till then, thank you.